Am I audible? Yes, sir. Okay. Then we will start from the previous lecture. What we discussed in that class is how to find number of atoms or what is atomic mass exactly. So we will have some question on that first. Then we will move to the next topic, mole concept. Calculate the number of total atoms, then number of sodium atoms, then number of carbon atoms. Write the questions with me. And number of oxygen atoms. O atoms means oxygen atoms. If 1060 AMU of Na2CO3 is given. If you would be unable to solve this question, please let me know. So I will explain it to you. Can you do this? Okay, you can't do this. Just see. Here, what we need to find is number of total atoms, number of sodium atoms, number of carbon atoms, and number of oxygen atoms. And what is given? 1060 AMU of Na2CO3 is given. First, we will calculate mass of Na2CO3, mass of Na2CO3, and consider Na2CO3 as molecule. Okay. Just focus on it. We have mass of Na2CO3 is equal to mass of one sodium atom is 23 AMU, and there is two sodium atom. That's why we are multiplying it by 2 plus mass of carbon atom. Do you know how much? 12 AMU. Okay, plus mass of oxygen is 16 AMU, and there is three atoms of oxygen. That's why we are multiplying it by 3. Now we will just solve it. 46 plus 12 plus 48, and we will get 46 plus 12, how much it is? 58, and then plus 48, which is equal to 106 AMU. 106 AMU. Just focus on it. 106 AMU. In 106 AMU, one molecule of Na2CO3, one molecule of Na2CO3. Just focus on it that Na2CO3, mass of Na2CO3, whole mass of Na2CO3 is 106 AMU. That means 106 AMU. In 106 AMU, one molecule of Na2CO3 is present. Okay. Now we will apply unitary method. In 1 AMU, 1 by 106 molecule of Na2CO3 will be, how many molecules of Na2CO3 will be? 1 by 106 molecule of Na2CO3. Now, according to the question, we need to find in 1060 AMU. So 1060 AMU. In 1060 AMU, we will have 1 upon 106 into 1060 molecule of Na2CO3. And we will just solve it. and we will get the answer, but not the number of atoms, but 10 molecules of Na2CO3. How much molecules of 10 molecules of Na2CO3? We need to find number of atoms, but here what we get is number of molecules. Now focus on it. Na2CO3, 10 molecules of Na2CO3. Just see, in Na2CO3, how many number of atoms are present? Can you do this question? How many number of atoms is present in Na2CO3? Please, you can speak or you can send the message in chat box. How many number of atoms is present in this? Six. Yes, 6. Because number of atoms are two atoms of sodium and 1 atom of carbon and 3 atom of oxygen is equal to 6 atoms. That means in one molecule of Na2CO3, 6 atoms are present. Okay, in one molecule of Na2CO3, 6 atoms are present. Then how many number of atoms present in 10 molecule of Na2CO3? Then total number of atoms is equal to 6 into 10, that is equal to 60 atoms. Aslan, did you get it? In one molecule, 6 atoms are present. Here we calculated 10 molecule is present. That means 60 atoms. Got it or not? Okay. Azza, who is this?
Sir, I'm new.
Okay, you are new. Okay. Okay. Have you studied atomic mass from the chapter 1? Azza, I'm talking to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then can you solve this question? Calculate number of total atoms, number of sodium atoms, number of carbon atoms, and number of oxygen atoms in if 1060 AMU of Na2CO3 is given. Can you solve this question?
Not quite sure, sir.
What? What you just said, Ajja?
Not that sure.
Okay. Arslan, just write it. I will discuss it soon as a wait for some time. Few minutes. Arslan, done? Okay. Just see. Total number of atoms, 6 into 10 atoms. Now we need to find number of sodium atoms. Number of sodium atoms. In one molecule of Na2CO3, 2 atoms of sodium is present. And we have calculated 10 molecules of Na2CO3 is present. That means in one molecule, 2 atoms are present. Then in 10 molecules, we have 20 atoms. Got it, Arsalan? Now number of carbon atoms. In one molecule, only 1 carbon is present. Then in 10 molecules, we have 10 atoms. Number of oxygen atoms. In one molecule, 3 oxygen atom is present. Then in 10 molecules, we have 3 into 10 equals to 30 atoms of oxygen is present. Is that clear, Arsalan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Azza, do you know how? Do you know mass of atoms from atomic number 1 to 20? Hydrogen, helium, lithium. Azza, am I audible? Yes. Okay, yes. Are you saying it? Yes. Okay. Just see. I'm giving you a question. 252 mu of HNO3. Calculate total number of atoms. Total number of atoms. Then we have to calculate number of hydrogen atoms. Then number of nitrogen atoms. Then number of oxygen atoms. As a mass of carbon, do you know what is mass of carbon? You already studied it in class 10th. 1 to 20 atomic number or mass number. Atomic mass. We also say mass number as atomic mass. Please do reply or speak up. Arslan, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you solve this question now? Okay. Mass of all elements from atomic number 1 to so do you know mass of all the elements from atomic number 1 to 20? Not all. Okay. Okay, I will explain it to you how to solve it. Basically, we need to know the atomic mass from at least from 1 to 20. In examination, in exams, atomic mass, most probably atomic masses are given in the exams. So, just find out the mass of this molecule. Mass of this molecule. How we find the mass of molecule? Mass of hydrogen, you know, just add the mass of hydrogen in mass of nitrogen and mass of oxygen. And here oxygen, there are 3 oxygen. So you have to multiply 3 in mass of oxygen. Just see. Mass of hydrogen equals to 1 plus mass of nitrogen equals to 14 plus mass of oxygen is equal to 16. But here oxygen is 3. That's why we will multiply it by 3 and we will get 63 AMU. Okay. That means in 63 AMU, that means in 63 AMU, one molecule of HNO3 present. Okay. So in 1 AMU, 1 by 63 molecule of HNO3 will present. We are just doing a unitary math. Okay. According to the question, we have to calculate in 252. So I'm putting it here in 252 AMU. 1 upon 63 into 252 molecule of HNO3 is present. Now just calculate it. It will be cancelled by 4 and we will get 4 molecule of HNO3. Now see, how many atoms are present in HNO3 in one molecule? If I am writing HNO3, how many atoms are present? Total atoms, as a total atoms in HNO3. Arslan?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know? Arslan, am I audible? You can speak up.
Yes, sir. I don't know the answer.
Okay, just see how, if I am saying how many atoms are present in this molecule, Just see, hydrogen is present, nitrogen is present, and oxygen is present. And how many atoms of oxygen is present? 3 atoms of oxygen is present. Then total number of oxygen, this O is for oxygen. Total number of atoms is equal to 1 atom of hydrogen, 1 atom of nitrogen, and 3 atoms of oxygen. Will it be equal to 5 or not?
Yes, sir.
What is the problem? You cannot see how many atoms are present here. So just see, in one molecule, there are 4 atoms. Then in 4 molecules, how many atoms? Answer me.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
I'm saying in one molecule, there are 5 atoms present. In one molecule, there are 5 atoms present. Then in how many atoms present in 4 molecules?
20.
20. Very good. In one molecule, 5 atoms are present. So in 4 molecules, how many atoms are present? 20 atoms. Now tell me number of hydrogen atoms. In one molecule, 1 hydrogen atom is present. You can see HNO3 is 1 molecule. And how many atoms are there? Only 1 hydrogen atom. Then in 4 molecule, how many hydrogen atom? 4 hydrogen atoms or not?
Yes, sir.
Then please calculate the rest 2 questions. C or D. If you are still not getting it, please let me know. I will try to explain from the beginning. Azhar, did you get it? Do you get it? Number of nitrogen atoms are 4, number of oxygen atoms are 12. Yes, very good. What about you, Azhar? Okay, no problem. It's your first class and we have already studied it from the previous lecture. Can I send the slide? Have you written it all? Okay. Just see. I have already told you the mass of every atom from 1 to 20. Okay. Hydrogen 1, helium. If you don't know the mass of any atom, just ask me. My question is from the beginning, calculate mass of following. O means oxygen, B, O2, C, HNO3, D, H2SO4, E, Na2SO4. If you don't know the mass, just let me know, I will tell you. NaHSO4, CaCO3, Na2CO3, very good, Arsalan. Azhar, if you don't know the mass of any element from this, please let me know, I will tell you. And please answer in chat box or you can speak up. What is the mass of A, that is oxygen? Very good. Just do it. B, C, D, E. Very good, Arsalan. You are on C. $32. What is this? It is about. You are telling me about it. Okay, okay. I just got confused that it was C or D. Okay, this is good as a 32. Else I don't know, sir. Arslan, why you don't know? What is the mass of sodium? Just speak up. I will solve it with you. What is the mass of sodium? Do you know or not?
22.
22. It's 23. It's 23. How many atoms of sodium are present here? How many?
2.
What we will do? 23 into 2 plus. What is the mass of sulfur?
4.
What is the mass of sulfur?
I don't know.
32. I have written it all in your classes, previous classes. Don't you remember it? Mostly elements got doubled of its atomic number. And what is the mass of oxygen? 16. How many atoms of oxygen are present? 4. Then we just need to solve it. This simplification, 23 into 2 is equal to 46, 32, and 16 into 4 is equal to 64. That will be equal to 142. You can add up 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4. 6 plus 6, sorry. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 142. It's easy or not, Arsalan? Now you can solve all this because you know atomic masses of everything from these questions. As I got it, you are on B. Very good, Aza. If you don't know the atomic mass of any element, just let me know. I will tell you, and then you will calculate it. But you have to calculate it. You have to fight with this. Otherwise, you will be not able to solve. $120. Okay. Very good. Very good, Aza. Very good. Yes, yes, very good, Arslan. Very good. Just take your time. Very good. $120, Aza. 98 or 120? Are you telling about the mass of Na2SO4 or NaHSO4? Calcium 20. Sorry, calcium 40. So what is the answer of E? Very good, Arsalan. NaHSO4. Okay. Na2SO4 142. Very good, Azza. Azza, after Z, what is the mass of Na2CO3? Very good. Mass of C6H12O6. Arslan, what about J? After 180, what about J, Arslan? Very good. Azza, what about I? Very good. Just calculate the J. Mass of this is the formula of sugar or sucrose. We also say it sucrose, and this is the formula of glucose. Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, calcium carbonate, sodium hydrogen sulfate, sodium sulfate, hydrogen sulfate, that is sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Okay. So let me know the answer of J, then we will move to the next slide. Very good, 342. Just see. Now answer me. Whatever I am asking is, how many X is this? How many X? If I just write X, how many X is present here? Arsalan, 1. Azza, 1. Okay. Okay. And then let me know how many X is here.
4x.
4x. No. How many X? 4. Only 4 is present. Okay. 4 atoms or 4, whatever it will be 4. Now, in terms of chemistry, just remember, if O is written, O is for oxygen, H is for hydrogen. How many O is present? O, if O is just writing in the form of O, it is atom. If hydrogen is written in the form of only H, it is written like H, or helium is like He. It is in atomic form. It is called atomic form. How many oxygen atom is here? Only one. You are seeing. How many atoms of hydrogen is present? Only one atom of hydrogen. How many atoms of helium is present? It is one. Only one helium atom is present. But if I am writing 4H, what does it mean? How many atoms of hydrogen is present? 4. If I am writing 16 Na, how many atoms of sodium is present? Arslan, are you getting it or not? Just let me know, please. Okay. Azza? Okay, very good, very good. Just see, this is atomic form. If I am writing O2, this is molecular form. This is molecular form. And if I'm writing HNO3, it is also molecular form. It is also molecular form, we can say it. Just see, how many molecule of O2 is present? Answer me. Just you answered these previous questions. How many molecule of O2 is present? One, only one? No, it's not two. O2 is molecule, HNO3 is also molecule. The number which represents the how many atoms or how many molecule is the multiplying term. You have studied in class 10th in mathematics coefficient. Coefficient defines how many of it is present. Like 4H, if I'm writing 4H, that means 4 atoms of hydrogen. If I'm writing H, that means 1 atom of hydrogen. Okay. If I'm writing O2, that means 1 molecule of O2. If I'm writing 3O2, that means how many molecule of O2? As there is a difference between atoms and molecules. Atoms are single like hydrogen, helium, lithium. And if there is a multiplying constant term number, this determines its number. Like 4H means 4 atoms of hydrogen, 4He means 4 atoms of helium, 5Li means 5 atoms of lithium. No problem. If I am writing O2, that means it's molecule, not atom, and it's 1 molecule of O2. If I am writing 16O2, that means it's 16 molecule of O2. Do you get it, Azza? What is this K? Arslan? Do you know the difference between atoms or molecules? The coefficient is the coefficient determines the number. Okay, whether it how many number of atoms or how many number of molecules. Got it, Arslan? Arslan, please. Oh, okay. Just see, I'm talking about HNO3. It is a whole unit. It is a whole unit. How many HNO3 is present here? Only one. If I'm writing 16 HNO3, that means how many HNO3 is present? How many HNO3 is present? This number determines HNO3. How many? 16. Only 16, not into 3. Why you just multiplied by 3, Arslan? Just see another example. HNO3 is 1 unit. Okay. HNO3 is 1 unit. It is 1 molecule of HNO3. If I multiply it by 2, that means 2 molecule of HNO3. If I'm multiplying it by 16 HNO3, that means 16 molecule of HNO3. And if I just write it HNO3, that means 1 molecule of HNO3. This is 1 molecule because 1 is multiplied in from the here. 1 is multiplied here. You just don't need to write 1 HNO3. Okay. If X is here, how many X is present? 1. We know that X is 1 is multiplied into X. that will be also equals to X. What I want to say is that this is if only HNO3 is written, it means one molecule of HNO3. That means one molecule of HNO3. In one molecule of HNO3, one hydrogen is present, one nitrogen is present, and 3 oxygen is present. Is that clear, Arsalan?
Yes, sir.
Azza? Okay, thank you. Just move to the next question. Just let me know how many molecules of H2SO4 I have just written. How many molecules? Arsalan? Very good, Azza. Just tell me the answer, whatever is going on in your mind. How many molecules of H2SO4 is here? I just wrote H2SO4. How many molecules of H2SO4 I have written? Can you read it, or can you tell me the number of molecules? One, only one. If I have written it like 5 H2SO4, how many molecules of H2SO4 is present? How many molecules of H2SO4? Arsalan? 5. Very good. Now, just see. In one molecule of H2SO4, number of hydrogen atom. Tell me the number of hydrogen atom. Tell me the number of oxygen atom. Tell me the number of sulfur atoms. Number of hydrogen atoms. How many number of hydrogen atoms present in H2SO4? 2. Very good. Arslan? How many number of oxygen atoms? Sulfur. Very good. 1. And how many number of oxygen atoms? 4. Got it? O is not 1. Azza, how many oxygen is present? 4. Very good. Now, see, if I am telling this is 5 molecule of H2SO4. Now, number of atoms of hydrogen in 5 molecule of H2SO4. 5 molecule of H2SO4. We need to calculate number of hydrogen atoms in 5 molecule of H2SO4. You see, in one molecule of H2SO4, there is 2 hydrogen atom. Then in 5 molecule of H2SO4, how many hydrogen atoms? How many hydrogen atoms? 10. Very good. And in 5, 1 minute, please. Arslan, do you get it? How this answer come? Very good. Now tell me the number of oxygen atoms in 5 molecule of H2SO4. 20. Because in 1 molecule of H2SO4, you have 4 atoms. Then in 5 molecule of H2SO4, you will have 20 atoms. You will have or not? Azza? Very good. Now tell me the number of sulfur atoms in 5 molecules of H2SO4. Very good. And you know, you can also easily calculate it is like 5H2SO4. I just wrote it 5H2SO4, and you can calculate from here. Hydrogen 5 to the 10 hydrogen, 5 to 10 hydrogen, 5 sulfur, 5 for the 20 oxygen. Isn't it easy? Azza, Arslan? Very good. Okay, I'm changing the slide, moving to the next. Have you written it all, Azza and Arslan? Done. we just need to differentiate between atoms and molecules. If molecule, there is molecule given, then we are finding number of molecules. If there is atoms given, we are finding directly number of atoms. So for the molecules, we need to find number of molecules, then we will calculate number of atoms. Done? Done? Should I change the slide? Yes or no? Please let me know. Okay. Just see. If I'm giving you a question, first you will see, then I will let you solve other question. Calculate number of atoms. Calculate number of atoms. First one is 96 U or AMU. Either one will given. Either one will be given. AMU is atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. AMU is atomic mass unit. That is mass of only one atom. Or U is unified mass. U is unified mass. Both are equal. 96 AMU or U of oxygen. Just see, 96 AMU of O2. Okay. Just see the difference. What does this O means and what does this O2? What is the difference between O and O2? Arslan and Azza, please answer me. And if you don't know, then you can tell me. I will explain it to you. Azza, what is the difference? 96 O, 96 AMU of O and 96 AMU of O2. Very good. Here it is atom and here it is molecule. Just see. What we need to calculate is number of atoms. Number of atoms. See, mass of oxygen is 16 mu. Mass of oxygen is 16 mu. Okay. Mass of oxygen is 16 mu. That is mass of one atom. That is one atom. 16 mu represents mass of one atom. In 1 mu, how many atoms of oxygen will present? 1/16 atom of oxygen. So we need to calculate in 96 mu. So we will write 96 mu 1/16 into 96 atom of oxygen. 6. How many atoms of oxygen is present in 96 mu? 6 atoms or not? Arslan and Azza, got it or not? Azza? Okay. Now come to this question. Its molecule. Its molecule. Now we will take the mass of O2. What is the mass of O2? You already know. 32 mu. What it represents is one molecule of O2. One molecule of O2. Again, we will do by unitary method. 1/32 molecule of O2. Now in 96 mu, how many molecules? 1/32 into 96. That will be 3. And it is 3 molecule of O2. What I want to say is that if question will change, like atoms are given, then we can calculate directly number of atoms. But if molecules are given, then we will calculate the number of molecules first, and then we have to calculate, then we will calculate number of atoms. Now see, this is 3 molecules of O2. In 1 molecule of O2, how many oxygen is present? Tell me, in 1 molecule of oxygen, how many oxygen is present? Azza, how many oxygen present in O2? 2. Arsalan, how many oxygen present here? 2. Just see. In 1 molecule, 2 oxygen is present. Then in 3 molecules, how many oxygen will present? In 1 molecule, there are 2 atoms of oxygen. In 3 molecules, 3 into 2, that will be 6 atoms. Azza, do you get it? 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Just write it and let me know. I'll change the slide and we'll have another type of question. Done. Arslan, done. Okay, just move to the next question. We will take Na2CO3. You see, wait a minute. Mass of Na2CO3. Just see, 212 AMU of Na2CO3 is given. Okay, we need to calculate first number of total atoms. Number of total atoms. But what is this? We will calculate it as molecule. Okay. Just like we calculated O2, we will calculate Na2CO3. First, mass of Na2CO3 is 106 AMU. Of 106 AMU means 1 molecule of Na2CO3. 1 molecule of Na2CO3. Now, in 1 AMU, how many molecules of Na2CO3 is present? 106 molecule of Na2CO3 is present. Now, we have to calculate in 212 AMU according to the question. In 106, 1 upon 106 into 212. This is unitary method, molecule of Na2CO3. Na2CO3, and this we will calculate it by 2. And here it will be 2 molecule of Na2CO3. 2 molecule of Na2CO3. Got it? Now, tell me the number of total atoms present in Na2CO3. How many atoms you are looking at? Total atoms in Na2CO3. Answer me. Arslan, there is 1 atoms in Na2CO3. Only 1 atom. Okay, Azza. Azza, answer me. What is atom? Azza? How many atoms are present in Na2CO3? 2 atoms of sodium, 1 atom of carbon, 3 atoms of oxygen. That will be 6 atoms, na? Yes or no? That will be 6 atoms. How can you say that it's 1 atom? Got it, Arsalan? Okay. Okay, you heard molecule. How many atoms of Na2CO3 present? 6 atoms in 1 molecule. What is this? Na2CO3 is 1 molecule. In 1 molecule, 6 atoms are present. Then in 2 molecules, how many atoms are present? Tell me. How many atoms in 2 molecules will be present? Arsalan. Arsalan. In one molecule, 6 atoms are present. In two molecules, how many atoms are present, Arsalan? As a very good. Arsalan, am I audible? 36, very good, very good. Arsalan, in one molecule of Na2CO3 is equal to 6 atoms, then in two molecule of Na2CO3, you are confused about what? Tell me, talk to me. You will be confused, like if we are chatting, I do not understand what you get or not. Just tell me, how many atoms present in one molecule of Na2CO3? 6 atoms or not? Please unmute it, Arsalan. Answer me whatever I am asking. In one molecule of Na2CO3, how many atoms? 6 or not? Please let me know clearly. Yes, wait for a few minutes. I'm talking to Arsalan. Arsalan, this is correct or not? If in one molecule will be like more than one, and it represents in subscript like O2, this like NaH2, there will be two different, and if there will be same molecule, if there will be same atoms combining, just see what is the difference between atoms and molecules. If you have confusion, just see what is the difference between atoms and molecules. Atoms will be like hydrogen, helium, and if there will be more, there is only one hydrogen and there is only one helium, and if there will be more hydrogen or more oxygen, then it will be represented like this. And what is molecule? If same elements combine, same atoms combine, it will be molecule. Different atoms combine, it will be compound, and we also call it as molecule, like HCl or NaCl or Na2CO3. This is molecule. This is molecule. This is one molecule. And if I am writing 2Na2CO3, this is two molecule. Are you getting it or not? You see, in one molecule of Na2CO3, 6 atoms. In two molecule of Na2CO3, 2 into 6, 12 atoms. Aza, do you have any doubt? Now, let me ask you a question. If you have any doubt, ask me. Arsalan, if you have confusion between atoms and molecules, just let me know. No, okay. Arsalan, you also studied in the previous class, and that means you didn't study self-study. That's why it's too complicated for you. Arsalan, do you have any doubt? No, sir. Thank you. Okay, then I have some questions for you. Calculate number of atoms. Okay, I'm giving you a very easy question. 98 AMU of, sorry, it will be too easy. 980 AMU of O3. Okay, just let me know, what does this O3 mean to you? Is it atom, molecule? What is it? Arsalan and Azhar both can answer me. This is the biggest confusion you have, Arsalan. This is molecule. What I told you is, if oxygen is written like this, and The multiplied term is like this, O3. This is atom. This is atom. Only O represents atom. If there comes here something, it is molecule. O2, O3, O4, whatever will come in subscript, it will be molecule. Same atoms combine. That's why it comes here. Got it, Arsalan? Now, do the question. You need to study. Can you do this or not? Azza, Arsalan. Azza, calculate the number of atoms. Can you do this? This is very bad. If you can. Can you explain one more time? Okay, just see what I do is very simple. What I'm telling you to do, just do it. Mass of O3, calculate the mass of O3 and let me know if you can calculate it or not. Azza, can you calculate mass of O3 and Arslan? Very good, 48. What does it mean? 48 AMU. What it means? 48 AMU will be one molecule of O3. Will it be or not? Now, for unitary method, 1/48 molecule of O3. Now we have to calculate it in 980 AMU. 980 AMU. So what we will have is 1/48 into 980 molecule of O3, and it will be cancelled out by wait a minute, O3. O4. I just took a wrong number. Just just correct it. 960. So we will have a better figure after calculation. Just see. Otherwise, it will become into decimal or fraction. It won't look like good. It won't look good. That's why 1/48 into 1. Sorry, 96, and it will be cancelled in 20 times. So here what we got is 20 molecule of O3. Do you get this all steps? Yes or no? Azza, let me know if you have any doubts from this section. Okay, just see. 20 molecule of O3. How many atoms present in O3? How many atoms present in O3? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many atoms present in O3? Arsalan? You both are taking too much time to answer this. How many atoms are present in O3? Azza? Very good, Arsalan. 3. Why you are taking too much time to recall it? Like 3 atoms are present in O3. Just see, in one molecule, in one molecule, how many atoms? 3 atoms of O. 3 atoms of O. Then in 20 molecules, how many atoms of oxygen will be present? Okay, Ajay. In one molecule, 3 atoms are present. Then in 20 molecules, 20 into 3, that will be 60 atoms of oxygen. Yes. Just write it and let me know. I will have some other questions from this topic. First, we need to find the mass of this. And then we need to find in mass number of molecules or atoms, whatever is given in one AMU. And according to the question, we have to multiply it with the given number of AMU. And we will get, if molecule is given, number of molecule, we will get number of atoms if atom is given. Should I change the slide? Arsalan? Okay, thank you. Just see. You know, mass of phosphorus is equal to 31. Okay. Now, calculate number of atoms of phosphorus in 124 MU of P4. If you are not able to solve this, please let me know if you have any doubt. What AMU of P? See, mass of one phosphorus is 31 AMU. Okay. Like how this 48 comes, mass of one oxygen is 16 AMU, and here 3 oxygen is present. So then we just multiplied by 3 and it is 48 AMU. I have already told you that mass of phosphorus is 31 AMU. It's 31. Okay. Arslan, please do it with all your. What is this for? Molecule or atoms you are finding? This 4 represents atoms or molecules. Arslan, you just mix up the mole concept in here. In this lecture or the previous one, have you read? Did I write anything like 24.092 into 10 raised to the power 23? Arslan, I'm talking in AMU. That means only number of one atoms, two atoms, three atoms. What is 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 is 1 mole. I haven't talked till about number of moles or anything. I'm talking in terms of AMU. Just see, calculate number of atoms of phosphorus in 124 mu of P4. Tell me, what is the mass of P4? Mass of P4, tell me mass of P4. Arslan, please unmute your audio. This is very... Okay. What is the mass of one atom of P? What is the mass of one atom of phosphorus is 31, and here 4 atoms of phosphorus is present. That's why we will multiply by 4 and it will be 124 AMU, not 123. Got it, Arslan? Okay. Just see, 124 AMU means one molecule of P4. In 1 AMU, we need to calculate 1 by 124 molecule of P4, and we have to calculate in 124 AMU. So in 124 AMU, we will have only one molecule. How many molecules? This will be cancelled, and one molecule of P4 will be answer. One molecule of P4. Now tell me, number of atoms present in P4. Number of atoms present in P4 is equal to, Arslan, number of atoms present in P4. 4. And here only one molecule is present. So the answer will be 4 atoms. Very good, Azza. Just write it, please. Done. Okay. What I want to calculate number of atoms in 1240 mu of P4. Calculate the number of atoms in 1240. Can you do it or not? Let me know. Just let me know. Azza, can you do this? Okay. That's very good, Azza. That's very good. Arslan, can you do this or not? Please let me know. Okay, Azza, do you have any doubt from this lecture?